I just discovered the fastest way to earn money online simply by clicking. Yes, you heard that right. All you need to do is click and you can earn $1 to $3 per click automatically. This method I just discovered has unlimited earning potential. You could earn enough money to help your family or pay off all your debts or even get yourself a nice place to relax. All you need to do is follow all my steps on this video. When you start earning from this method, you'll have financial freedom, and when you do this consistently, you can buy anything you want without looking at the price tag. Wouldn't that be awesome? So I highly suggest you keep watching this video because I'll show you how to properly do this and guide you every step of the way. As always, I'll also be giving you some extra bonus tips that will help you earn double or even triple compared to others, so don't skip anything, okay? But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, I don't want to make this a long video because I know most of you here want to start earning money online already. That's why the first thing that I'll show you are the payment proofs from people who've been using this brand new method. As you can see, a lot of people have earned from this method. They receive payments ranging from $1 to $3 from every click that they make. So yes, this method only requires clicks and you can then earn money. When I scroll down below, you can see all of these people who have been paid so far, and the list is very long. I don't want to look at them one by one because that will be just a waste of time. Now I'll show you how much I've earned from doing this. As you can see here, I've made this amount of money by using this platform, and I want you to earn this amount as well, so I highly suggest you keep on watching. Moving on, I'll now show you the website which we will use in order to earn money. This website will actually pay you 20 cents for every click. So basically, you'll be paid for every click that you get. That's quite easy, right? As you can see here, we'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. So you might ask, how does it actually work? So when a visitor clicks on your affiliate banner or link on your site or in an email, this website will pay you both for the first initial click and also if the visitors go through the process. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. The best thing about this is that anyone from anywhere with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. I'll show you later on a step-by-step process on how to properly do this so that you can earn money online simply by using this website. Okay, so if this website pays you 20 cents per click, when you get 100 clicks, they'll pay you $20. When you get 200, they'll pay you $40. And when you get more than 300 clicks, they'll pay you somewhere around $76. Just imagine if you do this daily and you get more than 500 clicks. That would be so awesome. You don't even need a website in order to do this. You can promote this website via search engines, postings in internet forums, tweets, posting links on Facebook groups, or wherever you want to post about it. It's all up to you. All you need to do is send a visitor to this website and they'll pay you for every click. It's as easy as that. Now you might be wondering, how can I withdraw my earnings from this website? They actually pay through PayPal. All earnings will be paid at the end of each month for the previous month. All payments are in US dollars and the minimum payout value is $50. You must enter your PayPal email address in order to withdraw your earnings. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now to start earning, you need to go to this website, which is entireweb.com. This website is actually some kind of search engine which is highly popular, and this is being used by millions of people around the world. EntireWeb currently handles millions of searches every month and is a trusted partner of internationally acclaimed search engines such as ExactSeek and IXQuick, who rely on EntireWeb to provide world-class search results. In a nutshell, entireweb.com basically works the same with Google, where you can do any kind of web search. So you can use this website to search for anything. Simply type whatever you want to search on this box and hit enter. So if you want to search for how to make money online, just type that here and hit search. Now entireweb.com will actually show you different results, which are all related to making money online or whatever you've searched for. When you scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of results related to making money online. You can also click on images if you want to check out some photos related to the topic. This website also offers searches for videos and news as well, so there's really a lot of things that you can search on here. This might be very similar to Google, but the big difference here is that this website will actually pay you money for every click that you get. So not only are you able to search for anything here, you can also earn money at the same time. That's pretty cool, right? Just imagine, you're doing some web search and boom, you got money directly on your PayPal account. So the way to earn money on this website is through affiliate marketing, wherein you will share a special link to other people, and when they click that special link, you will earn money. They actually do this because they want more and more people to use their search engine, and this is why they're willing to pay affiliates to do this kind of work. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is actually create an account on this website. But don't worry, because the sign-up process is 100% free, and it is actually available in all countries around the world. So why don't you comment down below where you're from, and I'll make more videos for your country in the future. I'll now show you step by step how to sign up for this website. The first thing to do is click on this green button right here which says create account. You will then be taken to this page where you will need to input your personal information, and I highly encourage you to try doing this and see for yourself that you can actually earn from this. So to finish the sign up process, tick on this box in order to agree to their terms and conditions. Then click on this green button to continue with the sign up process. After you sign up, you now have your very own account on EntireWeb.com, and you can now start to earn money from this website through affiliate links. As mentioned at the start of this video, I'll be showing you an exclusive bonus tip to help you earn more from this method. The website that I'm about to show you will help with the clicks and help you earn money from EntireWeb. This website is called Hercules.com. Basically, this website helps people advertise to thousands daily for 100% free. What's nice about this website is that for almost 20 years, Hercules has been a trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers worldwide, and they give you 100% real traffic, which means real people, which means real traffic to your website. No fake traffic or bots. To start using Hercules, just click on this button which says Get Started, and you'll come over to this page where you need to input some personal details. Simply fill that up, and when you're done, don't forget to check this box and then click on Create Account. After filling up, you will then be taken to this page where you need to choose which membership package you want to get. And as I've mentioned, you don't need to pay anything because they actually have a free membership package which we can choose. Right after doing that, you can now start using Hercules in order to get more clicks for your affiliate link from EntireWeb. I'll now show you how to use Hercules in order to get more clicks. Now, once you're logged into your account, simply click on this button right here and you'll be taken to this page where you can submit an ad. You need to scroll down a little bit and click on Regular Mailer. You will now need to provide a subject line, the affiliate link, and an ad body. For the subject line, you need to type something which will catch people's attention. For example, I'll type, "Will this new search engine totally replace Google?" Then you'll now put the affiliate link right here. Lastly, you need to fill out the ad body, and again, you need to type something catchy or something which will stand out. Remember to use keywords such as free, new, and easy. After you fill out those, simply click on Submit Ad and you can now wait for money to flood to your PayPal. It's that simple. Just do this every day and maximize the full potential of this brand new method. And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.